Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am Sandra, the owner of Digital Studio Toolbox, and today we're getting into something a little bit different. We're still talking about our digital product business, but today we're going to talk about, the easiest passive income and how to sell your digital products, and also talk a little bit about the platform that I use as well. Okay, so let's get into it. So we all know why digital products are the best in the business, because there's no shipping costs. You make the product once and you can sell it over and over again, unlimited number of times. Not to mention the profit margins are like crazy, like 80+%, and of course we know the type of digital products that you can use. We've been over this over and over again about all the digital products that you can probably use, but we're going to just do a quick rundown of the type of digital products that are available, just really quick, okay? Of course, there's courses. You can do a course on something that you know how to do. We all have something that we know how to do and that we're very good at that we can teach to other in a course. You can do printables, where you can do art printables or coloring pages or ebooks. You can do apps where for people's phone, or for gaming apps, or even productivity apps. You can use templates for like party planning, when people want to do cards or chip bags and things of that nature. And of course, my favorite, which is the done for you digital products, which I feel is perfect for those who don't have time to create their own products and you want to get started immediately into this business. This is something that I'm doing now. So if you are interested, I do have a link down below in the description box, okay? Now, I'm just starting out in my digital journey, as you know, and cut me some slack, okay, guys? Because look, I don't have them big numbers that other people are claiming. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't have the big numbers yet. I'm still working on my business, and I'm so glad that you guys are following me on this journey together, because you know why? I just like anybody else, I'm going to keep riding this until I hit pay dirt. We're going to ride this horse together until we fall off. And then once we hit pay dirt, we'll just bump it up a notch to bring even more of what I call, instead of passive income, I'm going to call it sleep money. Okay? So I appreciate you guys following me on this journey. Okay, so now let's get started with this 3-part journey. And basically it's a 3-part strategy, and the best way I feel that you can use to sell your digital products. Okay? Now it could be a strategy, or you could use it as a guideline, but these are the steps that I'm following to grow and sell my digital products online. One thing you want to do is choose one single platform. It's up to you. What are you going to choose to use to create content on? Okay, so that can be, of course, what we're looking at now, which is Facebook. You can definitely try Instagram. For those of you who are interested in Instagram, you can definitely try that. You can also use Facebook. And I'm so sorry, I got my screen halfway cut off, guys. There we go. Sorry about that. You can do Facebook. You can also do the infamous TikTok. For those of you who love to do TikTok. Now, I don't know how successful you can be. I haven't done the research as far as doing digital products. I do know that physical products sell very well on TikTok, but I will say I have not tried digital products on TikTok. I've heard others try it, so I'm gonna say that it's probably something worth looking into. Okay? Now, after you've decided on what platform you're going to use, my suggestion, just like if you've seen my last video, if you haven't, please check it out. It's the latest video. You should see it at the end. So please click on it and watch it. And it's talking about why I chose to go all in on YouTube. It's because I've chose to do one platform. And this is what I'm doing. If you're following me and you have no idea of how to navigate this online business world, I would say do the same. Master this one platform. Once you master that platform until you become an expert, you will know the ins and outs of that platform. And now you have even more to offer your following. And that can also be a way of developing your first course, because you've mastered something and now you can teach others how you did it. Okay? The next thing you want to do is find a platform to sell your digital products on. There are plenty of them out there. There's Stan Store. Is it PayHip? There is Gumroad. You can set up your own website. You can go on Etsy. That's my last suggestion. You can also do Amazon if you want to sell maybe like ebooks or things like that. But the website that I use is Beacons. The reason why I use Beacon is because I feel like it's a great all-in-one creative platform to sell your digital products. I like Beacon because also it has I think with the Pro plan you can get the multiple pay plan option. So if you have a product that costs maybe like $4.95, $9.95 for the course or anything like that, and some people can't afford to pay that up front, Beacon will offer them a payment plan, which I think is so awesome, but it only comes with the Pro plan. My suggestion to you is to get the Pro plan, and make sure that you set up a domain name. Make sure you get your domain name and set up and get the Pro plan, and you will also get access to setting up a website and complete full functioning website where they'll take the payments for you. Everything will be automated. That's the great thing about Beacons. And another great thing about Beacons too is they have an integrated email system set up, funnel that you can use. And that brings me to my next it brings me to my third strategy, which is building an email list. It is very important that you do this as soon as possible, no matter how many followers you have, no matter how long you've been online. If you do not have an email list, you really need to start one. The importance of that email list is that if anything happens to your channel, or if Instagram shuts down, or Facebook shuts down, or TikTok gets canceled, you will still have access to your followers. You will still be able to send them an email to let them know your new platform, where you move to, if you have new products coming out, if you dropped a new video, anything of that nature. You want to start building that email list, and it's up to you. How do you want to do it? If you want to offer something free, or if you want to offer a low price offer first, it's all up to you. Just make sure that you start your email list. That is very, very, very important. And also, guys, if you would like to try Beacons, I am an affiliate of Beacons, and I will also have a link in the description box below for you to try that as well. Okay, so now let's move on. Now you're probably thinking, how do you know if this strategy works? And I'm going to tell you like this. I don't. But you don't know until you try. You see, everyone wants to look for guarantees. And if you want guarantees, then I suggest you stay at your job, and I guarantee you will not be financially free. You have to understand something. Starting a business, this is not for the weak at heart. It's definitely not. And starting an online business, it's not for the faint of heart, weak of heart, and you gotta have double layered thick skin with even more skin on top of that, because people on the internet are very cruel. And the way I look at it is that when you get negativity, usually that happens when videos start going viral, when you become popular and you start getting a lot more comments. But if you weren't doing anything, nobody would say anything. So people are always going to dip in and have their opinion. Just understand that that is their opinion, and what they think about you is really none of your business. Okay? It's really none of your business. The only thing you have control over in your business is your productivity. You can only control what you do. So if you say, I want to make $15,000 a month guaranteed every time I'm going to get this, it's not going to always work out like that. But what you can guarantee and say, I know that I'm going to post this many times a week or this many times a day. And you are in control of that. Now, one thing I can guarantee for you, if you are not going to do anything different to change your life, and you keep doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, and not change nothing, you're going to get the same thing you've been getting. Absolutely nothing. See, I'm not good at doing these videos, but I will tell you this, the more I keep doing them, the better I become, the more I'm able to find my voice, the more I learn about digital marketing, the more I learn about YouTube, the more I learn about just the business process in and of itself. Now, I don't know if I stopped my business, which I've done, like I talked about several times, but out of frustration. Can you imagine if I would not have stopped, how far I would be right now? See, the guarantee here is this. So many people are scared of failure. But if you stop, you've already failed. But if you keep going, you never know what's waiting around the corner for you. You never know what's waiting. And sometimes we don't even know, like right when we stop, that breakthrough was probably right there at that edge, right when we stopped, and we lost out. Hey, I know I lost out. I know I did. That's why I said this time, I'm not giving myself a timeline. My timeline, I have none. Because I'm going to keep doing this until it works. And if it doesn't, I'm going to figure it out. And if that don't work, I'm going to pivot and I'm going to figure it out again. Either way it goes this time, I'm not stopping. So I know somewhere in there, I'll be blessed. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.